Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thomre, lecturer, Computer Technology Department, KK Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, I will be going to explain practical number 14 from course Fundamental of ICT. The title of this practical is Slide Presentations. Let us start with the practical significance. Creating presentation for different purpose such as statement and reports, presentation for seminars and demonstration involves different kind of skills such as making series of electronic slides by the way of composing, editing and formatting text matter along with drawing, shapes, images, audio and video, sequencing the slides and presenting it with the different presentation management tools. This practical is useful for developing these necessary skills to incorporate the same and is helpful to produce a professional looking presentation. The relevant course outcome is to prepare professional presentation. After performing this practical, you will be able to apply design themes to the given presentation, and also you are going to add new slides and insert images, pictures and shapes in the slide. To perform this practical, you require some skills like to create, edit and save presentation by way of hands-on, to compose the given sample presentation as per given design specifications. Also, you have to apply the formatting features to the slides. Some of the theory behind this practical is: preparing a PowerPoint presentation is always recommended while delivering a computerized presentation. One needs to define and use proper outline points before preparing a presentation. The presenter can finalize the elements that will be used in presentation like images, audio and video as well. Based on the presentation topic, the user can select appropriate themes and making formatting to it. Use of suitable transition effect makes a presentation attractive and effective. To perform this practical, you require resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You can use OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office or any other such software to prepare your presentation. You have to follow the procedure like creating a new presentation, then adding pictures in the presentation and so on. Following activities are to be carried out using identified software package. Once user open the presentation software, a new blank slide is open with default design layout. Alternatively, a new slide is added by choosing a relevant option and choosing from the available layout and design. In the blank side, use relevant shortcut keys to insert and place text box on the slide to insert and edit text. User can also perform all word processing related tasks on text. Insert some sample text and format it. You can also add a few more slides in the same presentation. You can add pictures in the presentation. So to add picture, go to relevant menu to insert picture, choose the folder where the file is located, select the file and insert that file into presentation. Once the picture is inserted, it can be formatted in many ways. To format it, click the image on slide, choose relevant menu to format, edit the image or press right click button to activate various image formatting editing options like setting brightness, contrast, transparency, cropping the images. One can also insert shapes and clip art from relevant menu. After clicking on image graphics object, use handles on the border of image to set its size or drag it to change its place on the slide. User can view the presentation by using the relevant menu. Using view option, user can change the slide sequence by choosing slide sorter option and dragging the slide and dropping it to a new location in the sequence. In this practical, you have to do the exercise like prepare a simple slideshow of 5 slides displaying your name, middle name, surname, branch and college name. Also, you have to prepare a simple slideshow of 3 slides displaying various cartoon characters. You have to solve the practical related questions. First question is, if you compress the image in the presentation, then what will be the effect on the file? The second question, how will you enter a text on blank theme slide? The third question is, how to start the slideshow from any particular slide? And the fourth question is, what are the different types of layouts available in PowerPoint presentation? Let us discuss the answer of practical related questions. The answer of first question is, if you compress the image in presentation, then the size of image file used in the presentation becomes smaller. As a result, two things happens. First, clarity of image is reduced slightly. However, this does not create an adverse impact on your presentation. And the second one, the image in the presentation tends to get loaded faster. Moreover, the size of overall presentation gets reduced. The second question is, how will you enter a text on blank theme slides? So to do this, you can click on Insert tab, then click Text box. Position your cursor at the location you would like to insert the text box. Then click, hold and drag the mouse to create the text box, and finally release the mouse and start typing. The third question is, how to start the slideshow from any particular slide. So to do this, go to slideshow option from ribbon, click on setup slideshow. A setup show dialog box will get open. From that box, select option show slides, give range from slide number to the next slide number where you want to display the slides. And the fourth question is, what are the different types of layout available in PowerPoint? So there are different types of layout available like title slides, title and content, section header, to contents layout, comparison layout, title only layout, blank layout, content with caption, picture with caption. So these are the different types of layouts available in PowerPoint presentation. This is all about practical number 14 from course Fundamental of ICT. Thanks for watching.